Good afternoon, my typewriter repairing friends. This is the Royal FP, currently in pieces, as you can see. I've stripped it down for a reason. That reason will be evident sort of soonish. Anyway, this is the one that had the escapement problem, and as it turns out, it wasn't exactly the escapement that's a problem. Having said that, I haven't exactly fixed it yet. Now, as you can see, the carriage is shifting when I'm hitting the spacebar. Haven't even tried the keys yet. Oh, there we go. So, keep moving down, and every so often it just seems to... It's not even going to do it for me now, is it? Gum up. Do it close to the end here if that's going to do it. There we are. So, key down. Plenty of margin space, but eventually it sort of works free. Anyway, I've put a little bit of oil into various locations, and it seems to have assisted it somewhat. But I'm a little bit at a loss as to why it's occurring, and is there a bearing that could be getting jammed somewhere in the carriage? I don't think so, because it really didn't start freeing up until... Let me move this on. I started putting oil through these teeth here, which to my understanding is a contributing factor to the escapement. Anyway, if anyone has any ideas as to what might have freed up with a bit of oil in there, it hasn't freed up exactly. It's still quite a bit jammed up. The carriage certainly doesn't move 100% freely, and occasionally, unfortunately, as I haven't been able to demonstrate, your Murphy's Law always works perfectly for the repairman, I can't show you what happens. Thanks.